What's up, fam? What is up? What is up? It's your boy Jose coming back to you with yet another video. Today is Tuesday, October the 7th. Um, and I'm bringing you this video, right? Y'all see the title, y'all see what it says. Brand new broker that I've joined, brand new broker that I've partnered with and that I'm currently trading with, right? For those that don't know, brand new to my channel or wherever you're watching this video, I am a day trader, entrepreneur, digital marketer, and I create videos just like these, and I try to post them here on my YouTube whenever I can, or you can also follow me on my Facebook at Jose Cabrera, okay? So let's get into it. So GatesFX, brand new broker. If you watch my previous video, you know why I left 24K. They had the issue with, trade locker and all that. So if you haven't watched that video, go watch it on my channel. I'll make sure to leave it here at the end of the video. That way, if you need to watch it, you can go ahead and click on it, okay? So let's get into it. Gates FX, okay? I did talk about it a little bit in my previous video, like I said. Make sure you check it out. So I'm not really gonna talk about Gates FX as much. I'm just really gonna talk about how you create the accounts, deposits, withdrawals, and all the new incentives that this broker brings that I really like, okay, especially for newbies. All right, so let's get into it. So number one, if you want to come and check out this broker, like I said, I will be leaving my link. I'm sorry, leaving my link below in the description. That way, whoever wants to join this broker that follows me, or you're in my trading community, you'll be able to do so, okay? And at the end of this video, I'm gonna give out a freebie, right? Something that a lot of people mostly, right? Pe most people are gonna, take advantage of and really get into it, okay? So let's get into it. Gates FX. First of all, I'll just scroll through the website. It's a pretty cool website, right? You can read about it, you can do all this. Look at the minimums, the spreads, all that good stuff. If you want to do that at all. Um, what I do like, right, is that they have, like you see right here, they have a 100%. Oh, sorry guys. They have a 100% deposit bonus on your initial funding. So when you first join, and let's say you're gonna put 200 bucks into the account, which by the way, the minimum is only 10. But let's say you're gonna put 200 bucks. GatesFX allows you to choose a trading account where it's called a 100% deposit bonus account, where basically they're gonna match, whatever deposit that you initially fund with, right? So if you fund, like I said, $200 into your live trading account, right? They'll match it. They'll match another 200, so you'll have 400 instead of only 200. So that's something cool that my previous platform did not do. And yeah, you can read all about it here and do what you got to do. Um, Once you click my link, I believe it'll bring you to this page and you can just start, click on start trading or, I believe it says start trading demo or something, but just click on start trading and it will take you to the page where you're gonna create your username, password, all that good junk. If if you know what I'm talking about, you probably had a broker before this and signed up for a broker. So make sure, I mean, just go through those steps. It's basically the same exact thing, same exact thing. It's just a different platform, right? So after you do that, once you are signed up, you registered, email, name, password, all that good stuff. For you to log in, this will be the link right here. So it'll look like this. You'll put your email, your password, and you'll click on login, and you'll be in there. All right. So let me show you the back office. Bah. Now, number one thing that I do like is that they do have this information center right here, right here on the left hand menu that I'll talk about here in a bit. But very briefly, I'm going to speak about the information center. This is something that I believe and I know it's going to help a lot of newbies that, either sign up under me or just get a broker, specifically GatesFX. It'll give you these how-to videos. They even have support articles. So, from how to open a trade locker bonus account, which I just spoke about. So here's a video on how you can do that once you create your account and you want to open a live trading account and want to have a 100% bonus account, right, where they match your deposit. Then you click here, right? Once you click it, it'll
In this
basically just
how-to
go through it.
tutorial,
Like I said, it'll go through it. It'll show you exactly step by step on how to do it. Okay. How to create IB links. That's more for the affiliate side. If you're out here marketing and marketing the broker, how to open a support ticket, and so on and so forth, even from how to open a demo account, how to download the actual Trade Locker platform, which is a platform where you're physically going to put your trades in. Okay. Then they even tell you how to use the break even tool, okay? How to set up your take profit and stop loss, how to open a trade on Trade Locker. So it gives you pretty much everything you need in order to know how to place a trade, how to place your stop loss, how to place your take profit, which is to me the most important things, right? Because some people come in, they don't know where to download the platform, how to open a trade, how to, set their stop loss and take profit. So it's all here, guys. It kind of saved me work. That way I don't have to do the videos. Everyone that signs up under me can just, come in here and go ahead and watch the videos, okay? Support articles, they also have that. So if you want to actually read, you can, go ahead and read these one by one, how to open an account, how to complete your KYC, which is your verification, how to open the trading account, so on and so forth. So a lot of help, guys, especially for those newbies that are new to brokers, new to trading, and just need, the guidance. It's here. Everything is here, okay? More on the drop-down menu. Obviously, just like any other broker, they have the demo accounts, live accounts, and then the account overviews. You just click on each one, and it'll take you to that specific account. Funds, same thing, depositing, withdrawing, transferring, and your transaction histories and your payment details. So the deposit funds is basically the same across every broker that I've ever been a part of, you know what I mean? I mean, you go in it, you choose what method you're gonna use to deposit, which normally is crypto. So what I tell my team members and people that sign up under me is probably go to the easiest, which would be Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin on Cash App, on Coinbase very easily. The easiest is usually Cash App. Um, and then that way you can just transfer it into your live account. Okay, withdrawing the same thing. They do withdraw with crypto, which normally is Bitcoin. And anywhere else that I've been a part of, it's been the same. Transferring funds, when you transfer them after you deposit your funds, you would transfer them from the wallet in the broker to your actual trading account. Okay. And if I need to do a video on that, leave me a comment below, and I'll definitely get a video on how to transfer funds from your wallet to your actual trading account. Next, we do have your profile, which would be, the agreements, your personal information, messages. This is where you would, come and see your verification stuff if it's all good. If you're getting like some messages from support, they would be in here. This is where you would come see that. Loyalty point program. I haven't really digged into this as much, but obviously they have a point program. You can come in here and read about it. I haven't really read about it much. Downloads, if you have any downloads, or they do have contests, kind of like fun contests that you can do. Again, I haven't really read much into that or dug into that. Economic calendar. If you're one that looks into calendars every week, which I would highly advise, You can actually they actually have their economic calendar here. You don't have to go to the traditional Forex factory, which all my traders should know about that. They already have it here, right? Me personally, I haven't used it. I usually use Trading Locker or any other calendar that I normally use. I just don't use this. I mean, it's a good tool actually. We got some New Zealand news coming out tonight. But yeah, they got that. That's pretty cool. The other broker I was a part of before this for this personal account, it didn't have any of this. So this is pretty cool. All right, they have that. Then they have the information center that I just showed you guys, the how-to videos and the support articles. They have the dashboard for the people that are going to be marketing, like I said, performance dashboard to see how you're doing, how many referrals you got, how many people clicked on your link. Marketing tools, you click on this little arrow and it actually gives you your link, right? So when you click here, it'll take you to where, as you can see, records found one. This is my link that I'll be leaving below in the comments. So for anybody that signs up under me, if you have somebody or a friend or somebody that wants to come in and get a new broker, you just click here, it copies it, and then you paste it to wherever you want it. Simple as that. Reports, just account commissions, client commissions. Like if you have commissions for bringing people into the broker, or if you have commissions when you withdraw funds. Okay, so pretty basic, pretty straightforward. I mean, not nothing too hard. Everything pretty much is the same. Like I said, you got the help desk up here in the right hand corner. If you want to log out, you got it up here as well. Messages, what country you're in. I don't know why that says British, but I'll probably have to change that. And your name and your user ID. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you guys need me to make other videos like on how to deposit funds or withdraw funds, well, I haven't withdraw funds from here yet, but if you need me to make a video, right, like about, depositing, withdrawing, transferring funds from your wallet to your broker account, I mean, from your wallet to your trading account, I'm sorry, let me know. Okay, I can definitely do those. I can definitely get those videos up for you guys. If you don't know my channel, make sure you go ahead and look me up, Jose Cabrera, just like you see on my video here. On Facebook, I'll leave my link for my Facebook account as well in the comment section, in the description, I'm sorry. And, we can go from there. But I believe that's it, fam. I didn't want to keep you too long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped anybody out that needed help, and hopefully somebody needs a new broker and goes ahead and clicks on that link below. Okay, so with that being said, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Share this video, make sure you give me a like on this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. All right, so with that, have a great day, have a great Tuesday, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Peace.